want a free fidget spinner, well then you have to click that subscribe button. Whoever and tell me that you subscribe, and then you'll get this fidget spinner. This one. It's actually very nice for a fidget spinner.
You'll get one that looks exactly like it. Here, in any color. You want.
Yeah.
We can even get you glow in the dark.
Yeah. We'll just pay for it, and you just have to subscribe and comment that I'll say subscribe, and then try and subscribe on every of your phones or computer or tablet or all,
you have,
and you get this free. So
whoever does the best comment about this video, or whoever's the first commenter, gets this fidget spinner. Okay, come, bring it up for free.